Whoa, welcome back, gamers, to another gaming episode. As I promised yesterday, we are talking about math now. Yo, what up? Yeah, okay, so now everyone clicked up the video already because I mentioned the word math, but who cares? We're talking about some advanced calculus today. I mean, not advanced, but like, okay, I'm just gonna give my math history, my full mathematical history. I don't know why, but I gotta do it. Okay. So okay, that was almost sick, but sorry. Um, yeah. So what was I saying? Yeah. So basically, math pretty fun. Elementary school was really good at it. Was like always top of my class in math. Sorry, that was weird. And I was in like the advanced math program that whenever we had that weird, like I don't know if you got this is like a normal thing, but that in elementary school you sometimes just like go out and had like a block where you just kind of did stuff. Sorry, I need a tissue. Kind of dying over here. Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, yeah. So you had that block or whatever where you like did math or I don't know. Or okay, so what it was usually used for is because I'm pretty sure you were forced to pick an instrument in 4th grade to like you had to pick an instrument and sorry. Okay, so off topic. This is like a jump that I did mention this in an earlier video. That yeah, I can try for hours to make this jump, and I am like 99% sure I've done it. It might have been as Luigi. Okay, no, it doesn't have to be as okay. Because look, obviously the issue is that I'm not going to the pipe because of the weird gravity switch that kind of messes with me. I'm a genius. Alright, I was gonna give up, like, really quickly, because that's honestly kind of hard to do. And I tried, like for a good... I remember last time I played this game, I feel like I tried for a good 20 minutes to get that jump. Maybe it's harder as Luigi. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm a god. Made that jump. Yeah, so you have to pick an instrument in 4th grade. As you can probably tell by, my most popular videos, I picked the viola. Do I regret that? Maybe. Yeah, so, and then there's this, like, weird block or whatever in, like, 4th and 5th grade that you kind of had to, like... yeah, so, like, we had these, like thingies, like, or, like, everyone picked their instrument or whatever. And then, like, this, like, 1 hour block every day or whatever. That you get to use your instrument or whatever. You go for 30 minutes and they would teach you or whatever, and then you'd have a concert twice a year or whatever, you know? Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, yeah, I was going really off topic. Yeah, so I had advanced math during that. I don't know why I need to have like a 5 gazillion long story about that, but yeah, advanced math or whatever. Alright, I'm back, boys. Alright, so, like, it has been, like, a second for you. It's been, like, 2 hours, probably, for me? Sorry, I'm an idiot. Yeah, so, like, let's just say, like, my roommate kind of walked in, and, like, I kind of don't want to be doing this whole recording thing while someone's watching me, so I just kind of paused the recording. Let's hope it doesn't break it. But it shouldn't. It should be fine. Yeah, so, what was I talking math? Also, that was interesting. Yeah, math. Yeah, so, advanced math, elementary school. And then because of that, in 6th grade, I was, determined a genius, obviously. It was a stupid test, some stupid math test we took, and it was like, you should be in, like, super double accelerated math. And I'm like, yo, nice. So, yeah, I took, like, 8th grade math and, like, 6th grade. Then I took, like, Algebra 1 in 7th grade. Took a Regents in 7th grade. That was interesting, which you only know what that means if you're, from homeboy New York, but whatever. Okay, it's like a big test, yeah, whatever. Took, whatever's next. Geometry. Um, Geometry 8th grade, and then I got to high school, Algebra 2, 9th grade, whatever. This is whatever. Something, 10th grade, pre-calc, 11th grade, I took AP stats, and then, senior year, I took calc, BC. So yeah, so then, I get to college or whatever, and then, how, like, some AP classes, like, can count for, like, college credit or whatever, so, like, I was like, oh, yeah, I kind of was under the impression that Calc BC counted for, Calc 1, was Calc 1 and Calc 2, you know? That's what I thought, because I'm pretty sure that's what I learned. Because I'm pretty sure Calc 1 is derivatives, and then Calc 2 is integrals, so I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. Or, like, the introduction to them. Then my college is like, yeah, you can just skip to Calc 4. I'm like, alright. So yeah, I took Calc 4 beginning of my freshman year. That was fun. Yeah, so Calc 4 was not fun. Not because of the subject. Well, I guess it kind of was. Oh, not really, but it was because of my professor was so bad. He was so slow. We did like 2 problems per day, and he didn't actually teach us anything. It just went over really basic problems. And oh my god, I don't know. I somehow managed to clutch out an A in that class, but like, I don't know. Oh my god, it was so annoying. And then this Calc 1 was just so... Oh, it was just so... Oh. But okay, no. So basically, I really like Calc. I'm good at it, and I really just like it. I don't know, doing integrals and derivatives is fun. Like I'm gonna be honest. I do remember in like health class and what is it called? High school. I think that senior year, I was bored because you don't do anything in health class. It's a stupid requirement. I was doing derivatives on a piece of paper instead of like the actual class. It doesn't matter because that was a garbage easy class anyway. But yeah, almost died there. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I did that. Like, who knows what that was. So yeah, oh yeah, and then Calc freaking 4, it starts off with like this weird 3D, like like 3D stuff, super complicated, like vector. Well, I guess I know vectors, but like it was like cross product. I know cross product and dot product from AP Physics. See, that will be a story for next time. That's an interesting class. That was a very interesting class. Awful, by the way. Awful to take that during COVID. But yeah, so yeah, I knew that, but then it just was a bunch of weird, like, 3D stuff that I just could not, like, wrap my mind around. Like, I just try to do the problems and, like, what is this? I don't understand this. I was awful. Oh my god, it was so bad. But then I clutched up, and then we started doing like double integrals and triple integrals. I'm like, yo, integrals? I can do an integral. And then then it became easy because I was doing integrals. I feel I've died multiple times there. I feel like trying to cheese that. All right. So then, yeah, and then I go into B term. Whatever it's a year, it's A, B, C, D term. I guess you can figure that out. It's pretty simple. And then it was like, what you call it? Oh yeah, ODEs or whatever, ordinary differential equations. That was like probably one of my favorite classes in college. Like I like the professor; he's pretty good, I guess. But it was just, I don't know, it was just ODEs. It was like if you know calc, I guess you know, but it's like the problem could be like 2y double prime plus 3y prime plus y equals cosine x or whatever. You have to solve for y. Yeah, okay, yeah. It's, yeah, it sounds intimidating, honestly, and it looks very intimidating. It's not that bad once you learn it. It was a bunch of, it's like, oh, there's like a bunch of different methods for all these different things, and oh my god, it was so much fun! And then I like didn't take a math class last term just because I don't know, I didn't need to. I don't know. My schedule is so confusing. Also, I have to pick out my schedule for next year, for both semesters next year. In April. Like what? Also, kind of off topic, but this guy right here, this red toad, this is the only regular red toad in the entire game. Because like this yellow toad is probably part of the, you know, Toad Brigade, you know, with Captain Toad, but Captain Toad's the red toad, and this is not him. So yeah, that's fun fact today. Back to math. I guess that's it, really. Honestly, it's just math is just so much fun when you have a good teacher. If you don't, then it sucks. Oh my god. Yo, so this level's sick, but I'm dead. Not if I'm skilled. Can I make it back to the... I say this level's sick as I die. Oh my god, okay, yeah. It's just, I don't know, math is like my favorite subject, even though like math isn't my major and I'm already double majoring. I'm like kind of thinking like, yo, what if I minor in math, you know? Like get that double major, part computer science, part game design, one game design and computer science double major, while also minoring in math. I think it might be possible. Okay, it would be, but like I don't think I have enough time, especially since I kind of realized that my AP credits aren't as like powerful as normal. Like kind of, if you know what I'm saying, like I thought like, okay, I took like 12 APs, so I thought like, okay, I took 12 AP classes. I should like skip that should be like worth an entire year of classes, I felt like. But like it wasn't really. It wasn't really, honestly. Well, because okay, let's see. We're supposed to be. You're supposed to use like I did like 6 humanities classes. Supposed to take 3 of them were supposed to be taken up by APs. I thought, but then I realized you can only use 1 AP per the humanities requirement, so that sucks. I have to take 2 extra classes, and then a lot of my ones don't count, I guess. Or like, or there's more than I thought, especially double majoring. So, yeah. Alright, who knows? Alright, see ya next